Please turn your 6 Traits book to Unit 22, Day 4. The trait we're working on today is organization. More specifically, we're looking at how to choose the best way to organize our writing. All right, so we're going to go down to the activity here. It says, choose one of these topics to write about. Then draw a graphic organizer and plan your ideas. Now, all 3 of these options would have a different graphic organizer. So let's go through each of them and you can decide which one you want. The first one is how 2 sea creatures are alike and different. So if you're looking at how something is alike and different, you probably want to draw a Venn diagram in the box below and compare how the 2 sea creatures are alike and different. The second option is a description of an octopus. Now, a description of an octopus, you might want to use a web where you have the octopus in the middle, and then you have circles going off of the main octopus and writing facts about the octopus. And the last option is a how-to. So how to make a sandcastle. And the how-to is more of a sequence chart. First you do this, next you do this, then you do this. So you need to decide which one you want to write about and then draw a graphic organizer to help organize your information.